Hey, this is Cool Trains in Montreal. I'm here at Dorval, a little past 9 o'clock a.m. And I got a CP train heading west. Kind of wet and rainy today, with some snow flurries. And I'm waiting for the Via train to Ottawa, which will be the new venture cars and the new charger. And while I'm here, I figured I would get some CP action if it presented, and it looks like it will. GP38-2s on the G95. It'd be a short train, I think. There it is. It's a short local heading to Baie D'Urfe and Vaudreuil for doing some switching. Two GP38-2s on the front. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.